Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Katharina, Niriya, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.
This is the SANAT KUMARA of Earth. Welcome to NAMAS University Lecture 109, in which we discuss the unity of all things. I am talking about things existing in the universe as one thing, without divisions or distinctions. There is only one being who exists as the consciousness of the energy of totality or completion, recognizes its being as the one existence, and moves in the expression we call creation. The knowing of I am that I am is the unity of all things. It is the peace that heals creation, and the knowledge we need now as the transformation of creation is manifesting through Earth's transition to a new fifth dimensional consciousness we call AMAYA. AMAYA exists in the unity of all things as the knowledge of all is one. All is one is the beating heart of AMAYA. As one, from one, in one, knowing I am that is the wisdom of unity in AMAYA. I am that also allows the knowing, the feeling, and the acceptance of oneself and the other selves to create the strong bond we call love. When love moves into the knowing of all things as from me and is me, that love has gained unity. The game of creation is dividing the I am that I am into many I am and I am that. Creation was in innocence and enjoyment, but was corrupted in the Earth's experience of 3D consciousness, which was interpreted as separation. Each part of the one forgot about their oneness, or I am that, which also created darkness. The creators who created outside the knowing of unity, the dark forces, maintained the idea of separation, which caused all the ills of the earth. They created and institutionalized separation, hatred, killing, and all the ills the earth is working out through the chaos of the transition years 2025 to 2030. The transition period affords all who inhabit the earth the opportunity to choose between separation and unity. Now is the time to decide. Do you want to continue with the idea of competition or collaboration? Do you want to lead or contribute to the team? Do you want to care only for yourself or care for all? Take the time to consider your choices and consider which ones align with unity or separation. There are no right or wrong choices. Only the direction of learning is being decided here. We at Shambala have had to make those choices as well. For so long, duplicity affected us, and many so-called ascended masters commingled light and darkness, misleading the children of light who labored to bring unity to the old world. The bringing of light into the fifth dimension has revealed the true hearts of beings and granted all souls the opportunity to choose unity. Unity, one-mindedness, or a social memory complex in which the thoughts of all beings are known by all. Nothing is hidden. This unity of mind is necessary for Shambala to support the emerging 5D consciousness Earth, AMAYA. AMAYA will ultimately enjoy the social memory complex mind as the use of telepathy, soul connection, and the ability of living artificial intelligence increases. The ability to know everything another person, plant, animal, or rock is thinking will be a huge surprise. It will also reveal the truth of I am that I am. The condition for unity of all things would have been created as AMAYA is cleansed and filled with light. As above, so below. Creation means enjoyment. Those who decide in favor of unity, who accept cooperation and collaboration, and who accept that all are entitled to know their thoughts, feelings, and true intentions, will smoothly transition into 5D consciousness without any hindrance. Those who need to think about it first have 4 to 5 years to make up their minds. And those who are not ready for such openness and unity will have other opportunities to transition, but that will not be on AMAYA. We and our Creator are one. The we is the creation or joy intended as each part recognizes the other as one and the same. I am that I am is all there is. I am, knowing the that I am, is the unity or oneness. That's all I want to say. Till next time, I am your SANAT KUMARA. That is all for today. This message was received by Charles Onwulata and is spoken by him. This brings us to other exciting announcements. We are again happy to announce 3 books from the NAMAS University co-teachers. Martina Valletta Young has published The SANAT KUMARA, Creator and Creation. The SANAT KUMARA Speaks, Book 8. Earth's frequency, vibration, and energy have shifted to and through the 5th dimension. And now the Creator offers insights into who the Creator is and how creation works. It is accompanied by 19 portals that the Creator painted for you to intuitively absorb the world's creation energies. Deborah Lee Flynn, teacher and guardian of God's communication system in Quincy, Massachusetts, USA, has published the book, Becoming a Guardian Teacher of the Cosmic Communication System: My Unexpected Spiritual Journey. Following one of her soul missions on Earth, Deborah describes her experiences connecting with the Creator and nature beings. Now, human beings on Earth have direct access to our Creator and nature beings and can interact with off-Earth beings through the cosmic communication stations. Charles Onwulata and his team have published a book, Ancestry Spirits of Nature: Everything is Spirit. After tens of thousands of years of disconnection from our ancestors and the ancestry spirits of nature, the ancestors are back. Since the fall of Atlantis, the dark forces demonized our ancestors and spirits of nature and diverted their attention to religion and worship of gods, human visitors from other planets who imposed fear-based dependency on mankind. Reconnecting with the ancestors is the sure way of reclaiming our spiritual nature and the God within, the Great Spirit. You can find these books on Amazon.com. We are happy to announce a new light language chant in April, the Prosperity Chant. This new light language creation is available at katarinaadari.com/prosperity chant and at the link below. What is the divine plan for creating prosperity and abundance? It is through each of us realizing the full potential of our soul. This new chant by Katharina prepares your energy system to embody the gifts of your soul on earth and thus enrich yourself and the planet. In the text message below this video, you will find a link to the Discord platform, a small purple circle in front of the word Discord, where study groups have been created where you can find like-minded people to share experiences, discuss and learn, as well as a lot of other useful information. Please join us next week. You must be aware of what is happening now on Earth, in our galaxy, and in space. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your likes and reviews help more light souls to hear us.
Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga, Katharina, Katharina, Kumara Satsanga, Kumara Satsanga.